In the quest for efficient business operations, small and medium-sized businesses, SMBs, often find themselves juggling numerous tasks, from managing sales and customer relationships to, crucially, handling finances and payroll. The right software can make all the difference, simplifying complex processes and freeing up valuable time. Patriot software is one such solution that frequently enters the conversation, offering both accounting and payroll services. A critical question for any busy business owner or aspiring accountant is Patriot software easy to use? As an accounting management expert, my assessment is that Patriot software is indeed designed with ease of use as a core principle, particularly for its target audience of small businesses and those without extensive accounting backgrounds. While no accounting software is entirely set it and forget it due to the inherent complexities of financial regulations, Patriot software goes to considerable lengths to simplify the user experience. Let's delve into why Patriot software stands out for its usability. Intuitive design and clear navigation. One of the first things you notice about Patriot software is its clean, uncluttered interface. Unlike some more robust accounting systems that can feel overwhelming with countless menus and options, Patriot adopts a straightforward and minimalist design. This approach is intentional. It's built to guide users through tasks without unnecessary jargon or complicated pathways. Logical layout. The main navigation is typically clear, allowing users to easily find sections for payroll, accounting, reports, and settings. This logical flow means you spend less time searching for features and more time completing tasks. Plain language. Patriot avoids overly technical accounting or payroll terminology. Instructions and labels are presented in plain English, making it accessible even to those who aren't certified accountants. This is a huge benefit for small business owners who wear many hats and might not have a dedicated finance department. Visual simplicity. The visual elements are designed for clarity, not flashiness. This focus on functionality ensures that the user's attention is drawn to the essential information and actions, minimizing cognitive load. Streamlined workflows, especially for payroll. Patriot software is perhaps best known for its payroll capabilities, and this is where its ease of use truly shines. They've boiled down the often daunting payroll process into a few simple steps. 3-step payroll process. Many users report being able to run payroll in just 3 simple steps: entering hours, approving calculations, and then printing checks or initiating direct deposits. This streamlined workflow is a significant time saver and reduces the chances of errors. Automated calculations. A major contributor to its ease of use is the automation of complex calculations. Patriot automatically handles federal, state, and local tax withholdings, as well as employer tax contributions. This eliminates the need for manual calculations or staying constantly updated on changing tax laws, which is a common pain point for small businesses. Employee portals. Patriot offers a free employee portal where staff can access their pay stubs, W-2s, and manage personal information. This self-service option reduces administrative queries for the business owner, further simplifying the process. Free payroll setup assistance. For new users or those switching from another system, Patriot provides free assistance with initial payroll setup and migrating employee data and year-to-date information. This onboarding support significantly lowers the barrier to entry. Accounting features designed for simplicity. While payroll is a flagship feature, Patriot's accounting software also emphasizes ease of use, making it suitable for businesses that might not have a finance professional on staff. Basic core functions. The accounting module focuses on essential functions like invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, and generating core financial reports, profit and loss, balance sheet. It handles these fundamental tasks efficiently without overwhelming the user with overly complex or advanced features that a very small business might not need. Unlimited transactions and users. For its accounting plans, Patriot typically allows unlimited invoices, customers, vendors, and payments, along with unlimited users. This means you don't have to worry about hitting usage caps as your business grows, contributing to a stress-free experience. Patented dual ledger accounting. A unique feature is the ability to easily switch between cash and accrual basis accounting for reporting purposes, even if you primarily enter transactions on a cash basis. This simplifies financial reporting for tax purposes or when working with an accountant who prefers accrual. Smart Suggestion. Is Patriot incorporates an AI feature called Smart Suggestion to help categorize transactions, which further streamlines bookkeeping and reduces manual data entry, enhancing overall ease of use. Accessibility and support reinforce ease of use. Beyond the interface and features, Patriot Software's accessibility and customer support further contribute to its user-friendliness. Cloud-based and mobile-friendly. Being a 100% online, cloud-based solution means you can access your accounting and payroll data from any device with an internet connection. This flexibility allows business owners to manage finances on the go without needing to download specific apps or be tied to a desktop. USA-based customer support. Patriot prides itself on offering free, USA-based customer support via phone, email, and live chat. This readily available and knowledgeable support is crucial for users who encounter questions or need assistance, making the learning process smoother and problems quicker to resolve. User reviews frequently highlight the quality and responsiveness of their support team. Help resources. In addition to direct support, Patriot provides a wealth of online resources, including FAQs, video tutorials, and a knowledge base, empowering users to find answers and learn at their own pace. Considerations for ease of use. While Patriot Software excels in user-friendliness for its target market, it's important to set realistic expectations. Less complex features, compared to enterprise-level accounting systems or those designed for highly complex businesses, e.g., those with intricate inventory management, international operations, or advanced job costing. Patriot intentionally offers a more streamlined feature set. This is a strength for ease of use but could be a limitation for larger or more specialized businesses. Add-ons for specific needs. Features like time and attendance tracking are available as add-ons, which integrate seamlessly but mean you might pay extra for extended functionality.